Good morning, all students. Welcome back again our online electrical class. Today our class is related measurement and drawing knowledge. So today I will teach you measurement and drawing knowledge. Why you need to measurement in electrical and any works, and why you need to take the knowledge of drawing. So I will explain about this one in today class. So measurement, any kinds of work in building or project, first take the knowledge of measurement. Measurement is the most important of the building or project work section. So what is the measurement? Measurement is the act of determining a target's size, length, weight and capacity. So this is the one kind of method, one kind of act for determining clear about the how many size of equipment, how many length is this equipment, what is the weight of the equipment, and what is the capacity of the equipment. So equipment, any others objects. Okay, so it is determining, it is clear about the everything of the equipment. Okay, so we need to measurement for determining the targets of sizes, length, weight and capacity. What types of materials have what types of measurement unit you can measurement like that. So mostly measurement is commonly used metallic unit conversation. Okay, so measurement is commonly using in three types. Okay, commonly using in three types: length and distance, h per length and distance. Okay, and weight and h per weight. So equipment are measurement by three types: length and distance, weights and capacity. Capacity is measurement with liquid. Okay, so length and distance, weight and capacity. Okay, so these three are the measurement system. In electrical, another also have the measurement. We have the measurement in testing measurement also, this in live conductor, in voltage, current and resistance. This is already we are completed about this one, but I will told today only for measurement. Okay, so commonly we have three measurement: length and distance, weight and capacity. Okay, so especially in electrical, using in length and distance measurement, length and distance measurement. So we can take the knowledge of length and distance in electrical work, mechanical work like that, but mostly in electrical, if you have the knowledge of length and distance, you can clear about electrical works. Okay, so I will explain one by one. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter inside have 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter inside have 10 centimeter, and 1000 millimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1000 millimeter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 100 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. You can take this basic knowledge of measurement of length and distance in electrical section. Okay, so 10 millimeter have 1 centimeter, 1000 millimeter have 100 centimeter, and 100 centimeter have 1 meter, and 1000 meter have 1 kilometer. You have take the knowledge of this one. Okay, and weight we cannot care, because we are not depending in weight. Anyway, weight is 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, and 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 metric ton. Okay, and capacity, if you measure the liquid capacity, 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 liter, or 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. So this is the basic knowledge of measurement. Okay, so in this category we mostly need to length and distance for electrical work. Okay, we must to need to length and distance. So I am already told 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter inside have 10 millimeter. You can counting in this arrow in 1 to 2 there is coming 10, 2 to 3 again there is coming 10, 3 to 4 again coming 10. This means 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Actually in drawing give to millimeter, not give in centimeter, not give in inch. Okay, you cannot follow this one because drawing is a one small paper. So all building is designed inside the drawing. If we are not give to in drawing, not possible to show in paper. So always drawing is coming in you can measure the drawing any equipment, anything is okay, and convert to to centimeter and meter. They will give the how many is equal to how many centi. They will give the legends of you, scale of you. Okay, so this is clear about the this one. So commonly there have the one scale. You see there is 1 to 2 cm. How many is there? You see there, and 2 to 3 how many arrow is there? 10 arrow. So if you take to 4.1 mm, so every arrow is 1 mm, another one is 2 mm. Okay, this is the measurement. So you can follow the measurement, not follow inches. Inches is not allowed in drawing section. Okay, this is not allowed in drawing section. This is not allowed. Okay, so you can care about this one in scale. Only 4 minor thing. You take your mind. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or 100 millimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter is equal to 100 cm, or 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. You can take the knowledge of this one in first. If you enter in project, and if you go to electrician or plumber, mechanical, any category, in engineer also must be need the knowledge of measurement and drawing. So BTech people, and these are going to electrician, some supervisor. That time you must be need the knowledge of this one. This is the important to labor to engineer for measurement. Okay, so this is important of you. Don't forget, care about this one. Okay, and next one, marking. Why we need to marking? Okay, marking need for marking, they give the drawing. Marking need for the installation of equipment in the root of the conduit, any conduit, cable tray, we need to marking. Okay, we need to marking. So marking is the main tool which is used to execute to site work. Okay, so this is the main tools. Without marking we cannot do inside works. Okay, in electrical construction, marking are common under. So electrical construction, boys, if you go to electrician and electrical engineer, every electrical supervisor, electrical foreman, what things is coming in electrical measurement inside, marking inside. So there is coming conduit bend and installation. If you need to conduit bend and installation, that time you need to marking. And panel installation, if you need to panel installation in wall, that time you should be need the marking also, because this is coming in one level, not down, not up. This is there have the panel heights, everything you can follow this one. Okay, and light installation, light installation, another one installation. So many electrical device, switches installation time you need to marking. Okay, so this is the marking. You must to need to marking for the make the level of equipment and arrange the level of equipment, and arrange the and looking good and net and profit as per your drawing. So you need to marking. Okay, without marking you cannot work in there. First you mark, arrange the label, and then after start the work. Okay, and next one is slab marking. Next one is in important in electrical inside have important another is marking. Everything you can marking is a wall also, you can marking in slab also, you can marking in floor level also, but maximum marking is coming in electrical is slab marking. All slab to all your some light fittings you can installation light fitting in slab, you can installation smoke detector in slab, building slab, and you can installation cable tray conduit root in slab. So you mostly maximum marking is coming to slab. So what is the slab marking? I will explain about this one. Slab marking in electrical, any kinds of slab work first need to slab marking. Any kinds of electrical work in slab first you make the marking of there. Okay, because the purpose of straight and looking net and perfect as per drawing scale. So why you need to this one? So this is this need for you slab marking need for you in propose to straight propose, not in going one side another side, straight propose. And next one is net and perfect. Your work is looking, if you marking and do the work, your work is looking good and net condition. Somebody is coming and see this is good and net condition. Okay, so you need to marking scale and you need to marking for as per your drawing scale. So any work in slab work there have the drawing, so you can take the they will give the wall to how many in there, how many in other right side, how many is left side, they will give like that, and that's you should be follow the drawing. That time you need to marking also. Okay, need to slab marking for correct measurement of equipment location, correct route of the conduit, cable tray installation, and light device installation. Okay, light and devices installation. So you need to, why you need to slab marking in electrical? In electrical you need to slab marking for correct measurement of equipment location, which location is coming to equipment, that's correct you need to marking. Okay, marking. And next one, correct route of correct conduit and cable tray. So maximum conduit we are working is surface, and cable tray is always going to surface, and conduit is GI and EMT are going to surface, and PVC is going to inside the slab. So PVC in slab making time also we are make the marking for PVC conduit, and make the as per drawing marking we can put the PVC pipe and some points up there. Okay, and then after there is put the civil people make the concrete slab in there. But in if the route is GI and EMT, this means this is coming open conduiting. That time you should be need to marking. If you not marking, your conduit is not going to straight position. This means your work is not good, not see the net and perfect. Okay, so you need to marking. Okay, so marking is the most important of electrical works and mechanical any works, but almost we have take the knowledge of electrical. So I will explain about electrical also. In building work, in stitch work, and any project work, you should be first you should be need the marking of the marking, and then after installation what you are going to installation equipment, cable tray, conduit, what installation you go to there and work, and as for your work you can installation this one. So you should be need the marking of the slab marking. Okay, maximum electrical work are coming in slab. So marking time you should be need the knowledge of measurement also. I am always already told drawing is coming in mm, so you can make the how many mm is uh, wall to right or left side in going to conduit, going to equipment. As per this one you can marking and make the marking, and then after start the work. Okay, and next one, what tools and materials need for slab marking? Slab marking time, what tools and materials need for you? This is the important of you. So interview also ask these questions. In electrical and any types of slab work, what tools need for slab marking? They will ask the question for you. That time you can tell, first you need the drawing as per work title. Which type of work is you going to do there? You first need to drawing. Okay, next one is a type step ladder or scaffolding. Anyone, if the little work a few times work you can using in a type step ladder. Okay, if you have the long time in marking there, full days marking, and tomorrow also work in there, you should be need the scaffolding in good scaffolding. Okay, and check line marker. Check line marker, you need to check line marker for marking time, for marking your route. Okay, and measurement tape, you should be need the measurement tape also. Measurement tape, without measurement tape you not possible to marking. You can measure the measurement tape, how many mm, how many meter, how many center, and then after you can marking is there. Full body safety harness. Slab marking, this means this is work in height work. Okay, slab is work in height, FFL to offside working. So that time you should be need the full body safety harness for your safe protection. Okay, you can save. Okay, and marker or pencil, anyone, if you need to marking in marker or pencil, one side to another side marking by pencil, and after chalk line dory to marking there. Okay, and this is the slab marking. So you care about this one. Slab marking is the most important of electrical section, because any maximum work are coming in slab in electrical. So that time you should be need the marking, and this is your marking tools. What tools and what materials? This is the your tools of marking time. Minimize these tools are required for the marking time. Okay, in slab marking there have 3 question is coming in there. Three question. Okay, there 3 question is coming in there. Okay, 3 question is coming in there. What is the slab marking? First question is they will ask like that, what is the slab marking? So you can take slab marking is one kind of slab mark. First slab marking, because the purpose of what is slab marking. So if any work coming in slab, in building slab or project slab, that time we need to slab marking for root uh, of the equipment or installation of equipment as per drawing scale. So this is called slab marking. You can told like that. Okay, why need the slab marking in project? We need the slab marking in project for perfect work, net work, and straight purpose. Okay, what types of work need for slab marking in project? So in electrical, what types of work we need for slab marking? In electrical, cable tray work, conduiting work, light installation work, some device installation work, we need to slab marking for in these types of work. So these 3 question is coming in slab marking inside. So you can clear about this one. Okay, And next one, this is the slab marking. Slab marking have 4 or 5 method. So first method is slab marking with line dory. With line dory here, check line marking to marking. This is your line dory and check line. You can marking is like this. So marking slab also, wall also. Next one is plumb bump. Plumb bump to make the center point of the marking. If you installation some equipment or they are need to correct in position, you can use to plumb mark for this for marking. Okay, next one is tray square marking. Tray square marking or right angle to marking. You need to this kind of marking is especially in cable tray trunking marking time and cutting time. You need to marking is this one. Okay. And next one, split label marking and checking. Split label should be marking that time if you installation wall some switches box and some other panel. That time you should be marking in split label to clear. First you mark the height of the switches and panel, and then after you can marking with split label. Okay, split label is give the correct label for you. And measurement tape to marking. Measurement tape to marking, if you cutting in some support unis rod channel, some thread rod, if you cutting in some things for need to cutting, that time you can measurement by the tape, measurement tape. Okay, so we have the 3 or 4 types of marking method. So what category is work related, you can marking same like that. Okay, system. And next one is drawing knowledge. So next topic is drawing knowledge. I hope measurement you are clear about the measurement only normal you 3 or 4 item. First measurement, what is measurement, you are clear about the this one. And how many is 1 centimeter, how many is 1 meter, you can take the knowledge of this one. Okay, and why we need to marking, what is the slab marking inside. Only if you take the knowledge of this one, enough for you in first job. Okay, after electrical work any we can give take the working time and take the knowledge of make the more knowledge of practical. Okay, and this is your theory. If you take the knowledge about this one, clear of you, maximum clear of you, after practical time you are easy to work. Okay, and drawing knowledge. So drawing knowledge, you also should take the drawing knowledge. First any, if you go to any category of category position such like electrician, foreman, supervisor, engineer, any kinds of work in Gulf India and anywhere in project work. Okay, first you take the knowledge of drawing. First you take the knowledge of drawing. So drawing knowledge is most important of engineering part. If you going to engineer and some risk category, you should be need the drawing knowledge. So what is drawing knowledge, I will explain about this one. Any kinds of electrical, mechanical and other works at project, drawing give the knowledge of scale measurement and correct location of equipment or objects installation. Okay, so what is the give, what knowledge give the drawing, any kinds of electrical, mechanical and others work. Okay, civil, plumbing, any kinds of work. And drawing is give the knowledge of scale measurement, how many distance from wall to right side or left side, scale measurement. And correct location of installation of equipment or panel or anyone. Okay, and next one is and some switches and any other things. So this is give the knowledge of the installation or measurement. And Okay, so you must be the take the knowledge of the drawing knowledge. Okay, so you can knowledge, you have the knowledge of drawing knowledge, drawing. If you have not knowledge of drawing, problem for you as for your category: electrician, even electricians, foreman, supervisor, engineer. Mostly engineer and supervisor, these two category mostly need the drawing knowledge. Okay, if no drawing knowledge, problem for in work area and problem for you. Okay, so you can take the drawing knowledge. So how many types of drawing are available in project? How many types of drawing? There are maximum types of drawing, but in basic drawing we have 6 or 7 types. First one, electrical layout. If you working in electrical section, there is coming electrical layout and DB termination schedule. Okay, DB termination schedule and electrical layout. Mechanical layout, mechanical work, mechanical layout drawing is available. Plumbing layout, if plumbing work is going there, plumbing drawing is there. Firefighting layout, firefighting is also there. Okay, firefighting layout also there have. Okay, BMS system, BMS system means building management system drawing also have there. Okay, layout this is. And fire alarm layout, fire alarm system, this is the security system. Okay, so fire alarm layout also have there. So we have this 6 or 7 category of drawing: electrical layout, DB termination schedule, mechanical layout, plumbing layout, firefighting layout, BMS system layout means building management system, this is coming in control section. Okay, and fire alarm layout. Another also have landing and termination layout, this is also have, this is using in industries. So this maximum these are using in building. Okay, so we have the so many category, but if you take the basic knowledge of about this one, all drawing are same method to see, but this is depends with your work. This is depends with your work, which category of work is you work, same category you need to drawing. Okay, so next one, if you have the drawing, so drawing first page, what you see there in drawing, there have the first page and second page also, and first page also have. So drawing is the one method of all building is capture in there. So there have the first page. In front page, if you see in front page, there have some writing is there. So what you need to see, most important to see there, need to read in drawing first page. What you need to read in drawing first page, I will explain about this one. First, main client, you can check there is find out main client, who is take the contact of this project, first contactor. Okay, main contactor or first client, main client, this is called also main client. And sub main client, next one is sub main client. Sub main client means one building inside have so many work, one building or one project inside have so many categories work. Electrical work is take one electrical company, mechanical work mechanical company, and plumbing work plumbing company. So this means different subcontractor. Okay, so electrical one subcontractor, mechanical one subcontractor, and plumbing also one subcontractor. So there have the sub client also, main client and sub client. Main client who is take the all work of the project, he is the main contractor, owner to direct, he take the all kinds of work in client. Okay, and then after they are distribute the another company, civil company, electrical company, mechanical company, they are give the work in separate. Okay, and project location, you can read also project location, where which location have this project, and this you also read about the this one. And project name, what is the name of your project? If you go there, you start to work, after somebody is asking what is the name of this project, if you don't know about this one, this is the problem for you. So you can check they are also writing in project name also, you can check the project name. And drawing title. So drawing is one thing. So electrical section also so many drawing title also. Suppose lighting layout, panel installation layout, cable tray layout, trunking layout, wiring layout, conduiting layout, so many title is there. So you can check the drawing title, this is correct as per your work or not. You can also check the drawing title also. So scale, and there is outside give the scale measurement. In maximum drawing is give to scale is 1:100. This means in 1 mm in drawing, if you measure the 1 mm in drawing, real field you can measure 100 mm. Okay, real field you can measure in 100 mm. I am already told drawing measurement you should be measured by mm. Okay, they are mentioned is mm. So first one is 1 mm is equal to in field side drawing. If you measure 1 mm in field side, you should be measuring in 100 mm. Okay, maximum drawing I give the like that, but you should be check every drawing is not give like somewhere 1:50 also, 1:1.5 also, they will give the like that. So you can follow, check the scale and follow the scale rules. Okay, and next one is legend. Last is legend. So legend means inside the drawing, if you don't know about some symbol and some equipment symbol and some switches symbol, you can see the legends. There is give the one legends. This symbol means this category equipment, this symbol means this category objects. They are make the symbol of this one, symbol of this one. Okay, so legend you should be read the legend. If you have don't understand about the symbol, you can go to legend and check there. They will describe about the symbol, what is the meaning of this one. Okay, so this 7 items is most important for you. You can see in your, all these are coming in front page of your drawing. Okay, these all are coming in front page of this print. In drawing, two parts they will writing. First part they will writing in about project we take the main client, project name, project location, drawing title, scale, everything is give to open area, first page. And next inside the page they will give to your drawing title, what work is you going to on. They will give the, there is layout, inside give the layout. So you must be check this one. Okay, must be check the need to read to drawing in first page. You clear about the this one first page, what they are telling you, follow the as per this scale and drawing title. Okay, so this is the important of you, this is the important of you. In first page you should be see the this one. So here is I will show you one electrical lighting layout. Okay, I show you electrical lighting layout. This is your electrical lighting. Drawing title is this one, electrical lighting layout. And another, if you have electrical cable tray layout, electrical conduiting layout, wiring layout, so many layout is there. This is drawing title. So drawing title in front page, drawing title electrical lighting layout, they are writing in this one. So this is the your electrical drawing lighting layout. And there have the legend also. You see one side have the legend, in corner have the legends. Okay, you can check the this symbol meaning what. Okay, inside, not give the only give the inside the drawing symbol. Okay, you can check the symbol and follow up this one. If you don't knowledge of about the symbol, you can go to legends and check the drawing, what is the meaning of this one. Okay, so there have the this. So scale, about drawing scale. Okay, I will already told in drawing scale, maximum drawing are coming 1 mm is equal to 100 mm. 1:100, they are not mentioned is mm, meter and this one, but 1:100 means if drawing side, if you measure 1 mm in real field, you can measure in 100 mm. Okay, so if 1 mm measurement, a drawing copy in real field work area measurement is 100 mm. So this, if there is give the 1:50 means 1 mm drawing, 50 mm in field. If 1:150 means 1 mm measure in drawing copy, you can measure in real field or work area 150 mm. So this is the system. Okay, so drawing are always measured by the mm, because drawing makes all drawing are give in mm. All building or project is very big, but this all is coming inside the building, so they are mentioned is mm. So you should be more knowledge of mm and cm. Okay, centimeter and millimeter. And you in Gulf or India, no allowed in inches. Inches is another section. Okay, so you should be take the knowledge of mm and centimeter and meter. Okay, this is the importance for you. So any kinds of work, if you go there, if you take the if you know the knowledge of measurement, any drawing you can see, any materials, any equipment, if you need to, any materials need to cut in same what length they will cut, you can cutting in this one same measurement. Okay, so you take the knowledge of everything in electrical, mechanical, plumbing, all work is in project need to first the knowledge of drawing and knowledge of measurement. This is the important of you. So I hope all of you are clear about the today topics. Today topics is related measurement and drawing knowledge. This is the important topics of electrical or any in a project work. This is the most important topics of this one. So care about this one. I hope all of you are watch this video and clear about it. If you have any doubts, if you have not understand, you can send the comments of me. I will explain to you. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.